Hey everyone, let's start this video with an uncomfortable truth. Let's assume you're a 40-year-old salaried employee earning around 80,000 rupees a month. Nothing fancy, just a typical middle class life. You have a car loan worth 5 lakh rupee, a home loan worth 30 lakh rupee, your wife is a homemaker, you have one kid and old age parents. Now imagine something unfortunate happens to you. In that case, who will take care of your family? Who will pay your car and home loan EMI? Who will take care of your kids' education? And who will provide monthly expenses? Now let's flip it. You have a 2 crore rupees term plan. Suddenly the picture changes completely. The moment something unfortunate happens, your 40 lakh loan for both car and home would be cleared immediately. And remaining 1.6 crore, if simply kept in an FD at 7%, would fetch your family around 93,000 rupees per month, more than what you were earning. Your kids' education would continue, daily expenses would run smoothly, and your family would stay financially protected for life. Yes, nobody can replace you emotionally, but the least you can do for your family is to ensure that they live a comfortable life in case of an unfortunate event. That's where in today's video, I want to discuss the important question around term plan. First of all, why you should opt for a term plan? Why not any other life insurance? Second, what factors do you keep in mind before selecting a right term plan? And finally, I'll discuss a very promising term plan, Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus. So if you're looking to secure the future of your family, watch this video till the end. Alright, let's get started. Today there are many life insurance options in India. You might ask, why should I buy only a term plan? It's because term insurance is not for wealth creation. It's for the protection of your family. Today, if anything happens to you, your family would need at least 1 to 2 crore corpus to live a dignified life. Now, obviously, you don't want to pay crazy high premiums for it. That's where term plan offers you a cover of 1 to 2 crore rupees at lowest possible annual premium. Next question is, how do you select the right term plan? Let's have a look. So when I look at term plan, the first thing I focus on is the insurer, not the premium. The biggest mistake people make is sorting term plan from lowest premium to highest and picking the cheapest one. That's the wrong starting point. When you take a term plan, it is a commitment of 30-40 years. You're not buying a phone or a mutual fund that you can change easily. So the insurer needs to be financially strong, well established and experienced in handling large number of claims. You want an insurer that will still be around decades from now. And for that, even if I have to pay a slightly high premium, I'm okay with that. Then second criteria I look at is claim settlement ratio. It means out of 100 claims, how many claims are settled by the insurer? A claim settlement of 99.7% means out of 1000 claims, 997 claims have been settled. Higher this ratio, better it is. Then third criteria is to check the volume of complaint. Most people look at claim settlement ratio and stop there. But more important is the customer experience with the insurer. What if the insurer is taking too long to settle the claims? The last thing you want for your family is to face harassment in claiming the term plan cover. That's where you should look at number of complaints per 10,000 claims. Then fourth criteria is to look at good amount settlement ratio. Some insurers pay out these smaller claims while decline to pay few high value claims in a bid to improve the claim settlement ratio. So you will need to look at the total amount settled as percentage of total amount claimed. Then fifth criteria is to check the plan flexibility. Ideally, I would like the term plan to give me good flexibility. For example, I should get the options for various riders like critical illness, accidental benefit and so on. Then my family should have the option to get the term plan cover as lump sum or via monthly payout option. Then I should have the option to get coverage till 100 years if I want. Or I should have an option of getting my premium back in case nothing happens to me. Now you would be thinking, is there any term plan that can fulfill all these criteria? So I have recently come across Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus, which ticks all the important criteria of a term plan. Let's have a look. Okay, let's revisit the criteria that we discussed for selecting a term plan and analyze if Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus fit the criteria or not. So first, focus is on insurer, not the premium. Axis Max Life Insurance is a merger between Axis Bank and Max Life Insurance. Max Life has decades of experience and is one of the most respectable name in the insurance industry. Axis Bank is one of the top private bank in the country. So it fits the first criteria where you can trust this company for next 30-40 years. Then second criteria is claim settlement ratio. Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus has 99.7% claim settlement ratio, one of the best in the industry. Next criteria is flexibility. Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus offers one of the most flexible term plan in the category. For instance, it offers special exit value benefit. This feature allows you to exit the policy in a given time frame. So if you feel that your financial responsibilities are completed, You can exit the policy and get your paid premiums back. Then you can opt for higher cover during early years when your kids are young and dependent, or when you have a loan. You can also opt for an option to get life cover as long as you are alive. It also offers income protection cover. So instead of receiving 1 to 2 crore at once, your family can get a steady monthly income for many years. Then another great feature is they settle the claim within 3 hours if the claim qualifies under InstaClaim. And finally, Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus offers one of the lowest premium, where you can get 2 crore rupees coverage starting from 876 rupees per month. It also offers a flat 15% discount on first year premium for salaried people and 15% discount for women policyholder. And if you are a working woman, you get both benefits. Apart from the big benefits, this plan also packs a bunch of practical features that actually matter in real life. Now that you've got a good idea about Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus, let's discuss some important points that you must keep in mind before taking the term plan. Because buying a term plan is not about buying the cheapest policy. It's about buying the right protection. That's where first thing you should keep in mind is buy early. The biggest mistake people make is they delay the term plan decision. The benefit of taking a term plan at an early age is when you are younger and healthier, the premiums are much cheaper. Same cover, same company. But if you delay by let's say 10 years, you could end up paying double or even triple premium. Always remember, term insurance is cheapest when you feel you don't need it. Then second thing you must remember is take an etiquette cover. Don't randomly pick 50 lakh rupee or 1 crore cover because someone else did. Your cover should take care of home loan, kids education, daily expenses and inflation. For most salaried people today, 1.5 crore to 2.5 crore is actually very reasonable cover. Then third, you should choose the right policy duration. Your term plan cover should last till your major responsibilities end. Home loan done, kids independent, retirement corpus built. It means for most people, the cover should be at least till the age of 60 or 65. Not just a random 20-year plan. Fourth point is don't compromise on claim settlement just to save a few rupees. A slightly cheaper premium means nothing if the family struggle during claims. Always look at the claim settlement ratio and the insurer's reputation. This is the moment when trust matters the most. Fifth, be 100% honest about health and lifestyle. Smoking, drinking, existing medical condition, disclose everything. Most claim rejection happens not because of companies, but because people hide information while buying the policy. And then sixth criteria is keep the plan simple. Avoid unnecessary riders and complicated features you don't understand. A strong base cover is far more important than a fancy add-on. Seventh criteria, check payout flexibility. Your family should be able to choose a lump sum for loans, monthly income for expenses, or a combination of both. Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus offer one of the best payout flexibility. And finally, remember this, term insurance is not an investment. It won't make you rich, but it ensures your family never becomes financially weak because of you. That peace of mind is priceless. Just to conclude, term insurance is not just another financial product. It's a promise. A promise that if life takes an unexpected turn, your family won't have to struggle financially. It ensures that loans are paid, education continues, and daily life goes on without sudden disruption. That's exactly why choosing the right term plan matters. Not the cheapest one, the one your family can truly depend on when it matters the most. Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus offers strong protection with a high claim settlement ratio, fast claim support, flexible payout, and thoughtful features like the special exit value benefits. It's built to give real peace of mind, not just a paper promise. If you are considering a term plan, take a close look at Axis Max Life Smart Term Plan Plus. The link is in the description. Remember that protecting your loved ones today means they can keep living the life the way you planned for them. Because at the end of the day, what truly matters is not just how much you earn, but how well your family is taken care of, no matter what happens. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, do share it within your circle. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care.